Hello everybody, my name is George Foster. I'm here in Nice preparing for the UTMB World Series 50k, but first I'm happy to spend time in your company. I live in a place called Keswick, which is in the Lake District of northwest England. It's our mountains, but they're not the biggest mountains in the world. I started running in primary school, so when I was 7 or 8. The furthest distance we could do at primary school was 800 metres, so I would do 800 metres because for some reason I was drawn to the longer distance. And it was only really maybe 6 years ago that I got into running properly and sort of devoted a bit more time to it and trained, and now it's become a really big part of my life. I'm a firefighter by profession. The original thing was to help people and to sort of help the community. Sometimes it's more just the discipline to get out the door rather than the motivation. There's times where I'd be lying if I said I was really keen to go running every single day. If it's really bad weather, sideways rain, really windy, then I really don't want to go out the door. But if I'm disciplined enough to do it, then when I am really motivated, then I'll be more likely to enjoy it. And it gives you a chance to get outside and clear your head and just be outside in a beautiful area and get out. I guess the overall thing is just to try and improve every day, be consistent. And if I'm consistent, then maybe I can get better. My wife is my biggest supporter. She goes above and beyond what she probably should do. Just have a sit down and find people to talk to, you know, find other runners and sort of connect with them and engage with them and see how they found it, see if they enjoyed it, see where they had a good bit or a bad bit, and yeah, just discuss how it went, really. It's fun. It can not be fun, but it's fun afterwards, and it's transformative. It changes the person that you are, and it's a positive thing, I think. So, thanks for letting me spend some time with you, and hopefully you got to know me a bit better. See you later.